In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group elements in Framer. By the end, you'll know how to bundle multiple layers into a single reusable component so your design stays tidy and easy to manage. Start by heading to framer.com in your browser and sign in. Once you're in, open the workspace where your project lives. If you already have the project open in a tab, that's perfect. Just switch to it so you're ready to work. Next, open your project and make sure you're on the main canvas. The canvas is the large central area where your frames, sections, and layers appear. If you don't see your layout, use the left sidebar to select the page or frame you want to work on. Zoom in a bit so you can clearly see the elements you plan to group. Now select the elements you want to bundle together. You can click and drag a marquee around them on the canvas, or hold Shift and click each layer either directly on the canvas or in the Layers panel. Take a quick moment to confirm you've got everything you need and nothing extra. Buttons, icons, text, and backgrounds that should move as one. If your elements are inside different frames, consider selecting the versions that visually sit together inside the same parent so their layout behaves predictably. With your elements selected, right-click to open the context menu. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same way. This menu gives you actions relevant to your current selection. Choose Create Component. This converts your selection into a single component. Think of it as a smart group. Everything stays aligned, but you also unlock reuse and consistency. Any future instances of this component can be dropped into other parts of your project while keeping the original structure. You'll be prompted to name the component, pick something clear and descriptive so you can find it later. Instead of generic labels, try a format that reflects function and placement, like navbar primary, card up product, or button CTA. Consistent naming helps when your file grows and you're searching for pieces. Finally, click Create to confirm. Your selection is now one component on the canvas. You can move it as a single unit, resize it, and duplicate it to create instances elsewhere. If you need to make changes to the design, edit the component so updates flow through to its instances. If the option to create a component was unavailable, double-check that you had multiple layers selected and that nothing was locked. That's all it takes to group elements in Framer with components, quick, clean, and reusable. Save your project and you're ready to design faster with a more organized workflow.